Hi, you guys. You all seem to really like my makeup routines here on IGTV, so this is a new one. I always use my skincare by Go Pure Beauty. I've been using this for a long time. It's my favorite. I use the hyaluronic acid and the retinol. I'll put a code below. That's the Tatch Dewy Skin Cream. It is incredible. I love it. It smells delightful. That's my Kate Moss lip moisturizer. I always use it while I'm getting ready to prep my lips. And yeah, right there I am just blow drying my hair and putting some Pantene conditioner in it, so when it does get dried with that wet brush, it will be nice and smooth. I love putting a volumizing mousse, and this is the Lock It one, which I really love. And I do have a blow dryer that is on a stand, and it dries my hair while I'm doing my makeup. Here's the BLENDSMART brush for foundation. I adore it. I'll be using Fit Me today, and yes, I put the foundation on my leg. I just got out of the shower, so everything's clean. The BLENDSMART brush is one of my favorites. I'll put a coupon code in the description. Just tap the arrow down and you'll see everything. I love this brush. I use it every day. It makes application of foundation so easy, and if it's difficult for you to use a beauty blender, get the BLENDSMART. Okay, I'm gonna put some highlighting drops on. I will link below. I believe these are the LA Colors ones. They're really inexpensive, and I really love how it gives you the dewy look. This is Makeup Revolution Concealer, and I actually really have been liking this concealer a lot. I use a little mini beauty blender, and again, that's been wet. And then I'm going to add my Wet n Wild and set it, because I think it is incredibly important to set your concealer, especially over 40, so it does not crease. Okay, let's see, what are we doing next? Oh, we're gonna contour. I'm also using the same Wet n Wild palette. I just like to carve out my cheeks and kind of go all around my face to kind of recreate shape and shadow and dimension. So the Wet n Wild is my favorite. Okay, this is an NYX. And I'm gonna go ahead and start contouring my nose. You can use a powder. I like this little pencil. I kind of change it up, but I enjoy using different products to contour. So yeah, it makes a huge difference in the way your face looks. Okay, now I'm gonna bake a little bit. Lots of controversy about baking over 40. I believe you can still do it depending on the product that you use. I like to set the makeup and let it sit there while I do a little bit more contouring. I'm just using a darker brown. And I also use the rest of the contour powder on my eyes as an eyeshadow. Yep, it makes it a lot easier and quicker while you're doing your makeup. I'm gonna go right underneath the lower lash line too, to kind of pop the eye, because I have green eyes, so a darker color will make that color pop, but any color you use will actually bring out the color of your eyes. Okay, getting rid of that excess baking powder. Hoola bronzer. So I do like to go in with quite a few bronzing products. I love this new Hoola bronzer, new to me. And this is an old Wet n Wild bronzer that I always use. I've had it forever, but I always go back to it. Okay, I'm gonna keep moving my hair around because I do have a blow dryer on while I do my makeup. I'm gonna use the Dandelion Benefit Blush. Now I'm gonna do the brows. Now this is my favorite, the Precisely Brow by Benefit. This has been a game changer for me. Benefit is all about brows, so if you're gonna spend on brows, get them at Benefit. I really recommend Benefit for anything to do with brows. It's changed my brow game completely. And yeah, so I'll probably be only using Benefit brows from now, but don't quote me on that, because you know I always change my mind on my brows. But right now I am loving the Precisely Brow Pencil. Really lets you go in there and recreate and draw a new brow. Okay, oh my gosh, this is I think this is DCH, the Collagen Mist. I'll link it below. And then this is the Revolution Makeup. It's just a bronzer, but I love using it on my eyes because it's so coppery and bronzy, and it is just beautiful. I also like using my fingers. I think they're one of the greatest tools. This is the Wet n Wild Not Your Basic Peach palette. I've been obsessed with this palette. If you guys have been watching my IGTV videos, I'm using it like every day, and I just think it gets such a great payoff. It's like under $5, and it's got such great colors. A lot of the Wet n Wild new palettes are really great, and I love them in a lot of pigmented colors. So yes, this is a Catrice Chrome eyeshadow palette. I use it as eyeshadow. I use it as highlighter here in the inner corners. under the brow bone to highlight that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use the bronzy color to actually do my cheek and nose highlight. Love that. I think I need to do my eyelashes. Oh, this is also, why do I never remember if it's DCH? I think it's DCH. They're eyeliners. Okay, so this eyeliner has changed the game for me. It stays on all day. It's like pitch black. It doesn't move. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna actually link it here so you guys can purchase it. It's amazing. Here's my wet brush. I could not live with any normal brush after using a wet brush because, you know, for fine hair, it's a must have. Okay, here we are using the new lashes Damn Girl. Oh my gosh, obsessed. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, catsuit liquid liners. Like I said, I'm gonna link everything below on that arrow button so you can actually purchase some of these. I mix these liquid liners together to create the shade. I can never find my perfect nude, so I just make my own. You gotta get creative. What is that, a Jordana Liner? I think that's in Coco Loco. Jordana Liners are my favorite, and they're like $2. Can't beat that. A little brush. Okay, I have this great brush by Ergo. It's a little bit spendy, but I swear to God, for a straight, fine hair, it like really straightens my hair and makes it look smooth. So yeah, Fructis, get those little frizzies, get rid of those frizzies. So I have to use that since I bleach my hair. Oh my God, the Playa Powder for volume, obsessed. Have you guys ever used a powder for volume? Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. You guys know that's my fave. And we're probably gonna use L'Oreal Lock It because I love L'Oreal's, all of their Lock It products. It's one of my favorites for hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with it and zhuzh it a little bit. Oh my God, Rosie Jane perfume. It's my favorite. I could drown in it. Oh, Patrick Ta. Okay, you have to, if you're gonna show your legs, oh yeah, go on girl, show a little of that leg. If you're gonna show any leg, use the Patrick Ta oil. It is so beautiful and it's got glitter on it. I can't live without it. I'm getting my J-Lo moment there. And yeah, that's the end. Oh, this dress I got at Forever 21. Sorry guys, I got that dress at Forever 21. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Tell me what you think of these voiceovers. And if you like them, I'll continue them. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. You can follow me on YouTube, Stung by Samantha. I have over 200 videos for women over 50 and over 100 workout videos. Thanks. Bye.
People are probably saying about me, hey Sam, like why you got that hat on? Like you're 50. Should you really be rocking that out?